The dual-layer design offers optimal light control for both day and night. Diffuse harsh sunlight into a gentle glow while maintaining privacy. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Day-night Roman shade, one shade, two functions, day and night in perfect harmony.